Using RBC Avion points for travel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Redeem directly through RBC Rewards. Browse and book flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacation packages from a range of partners directly to the RBC Rewards portal. Transfer points to airline loyalty programs. Convert your Avion points to frequent flyer miles with partner airlines like American Airlines A Advantage, Asia Miles, British Airways Avios, and WestJet Rewards. Use the miles to book flights with greater flexibility and potentially unlock additional perks. Redeem points directly for travel at a rate of 100 points equals 1 Canadian dollars. This applies to all bookings to the RBC Rewards portal. Enhanced value with transfer partners. Some airline loyalty programs offer better value when transferring points. Research potential transfer bonuses and sweet spots for specific airlines and routes. Prioritize spending points on flights or premium hotel stays where the point value significantly exceeds the cash cost. Don't be afraid to use a combination of points and cash for bookings. This can stretch your points further and make them more versatile. RBC Rewards frequently offer bonus points or discounts on specific travel partners. Keep an eye out for these to maximize your point usage.